Welcome everyone to our very first business ad review session. These are going to be short 10 to 15 minute videos that I'm making for you as the advertiser to learn about other people's advertising. So today I did some research and I found this company. They're doing a lot of ads. They're a roofing company, so if you're a roofing company, you're definitely going to want to pay attention to this particular episode. This is just going to be me talking, and I'm going to take you through, and I'm going to show you exactly what ads this company is running. We're going to do a different kind of business all of the time, but you're going to, as a business owner, this episode, this is going to be 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully, that is definitely going to be worth your time. You're going to learn about ad mediums and what ad mediums that people are using. We're checking on all of the ad platforms. The only one that we're really not exploring at this point is TikTok. It's hard to figure out what kind of TikTok ads companies are running. Snapchat as well. So we're looking at the big boys. We're looking at YouTube. We're looking at Facebook ads. We're looking at Instagram ads. We're looking at YouTube ads. We're looking at search ads. What are people doing in order to get success? And so we're gonna be unpacking all of these. Get used to these episodes, which will be shared on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe in the future. So today we're reviewing Erie Home, and we're going to look at the ads that they are running. Erie Home, apparently, from what I can tell, does a special metal roof, and you can see their webpage here. It doesn't actually look like they're sending ad traffic to this page, and we'll get to that in a moment. So the big question is, what kind of ads are they running? And to do that, we're going to use some software called AdBeat that will tell us. Now, we need to take this with a grain of salt. AdBeat is not a perfect piece of software, but it will give us an idea of what advertisers are doing, keeping in mind these are metal roofs. So first of all, we can see that this is in the last 3 months, 2 months, September, October. You can see that they've done Microsoft advertising 15 million impressions. So they are definitely diving deeply into Microsoft advertising. And if you are a roofer, and especially a metal roofer, that's something that you might want to look into. I had no idea that Microsoft ads could be a good avenue until I looked at this for roofing companies. So this is something that you want to check out. Maybe the cost per click that you can obtain is much lower than with Google ads. Second, you'll see they're running YouTube ads, and this is a huge part of their strategy. 11 million impressions for their YouTube ads according to AdBeat. Maybe it's more than that. We'll look at some other software, YouTube software that I have. It's definitely a central strategy for Erie metal roofs. Google DV360, if you don't know what this is a programmatic platform. It's very difficult to even get access to it, but if you can, a lot of advertisers are using it. Some of them, most of them probably not successfully, but some of them perhaps are. And Google DV360 is Google's programmatic software. They're also using, look here, Google display ads, so they are running a lot of display ads, 1.6 million impressions, and they're running some search, which is the lowest part of their advertising. And I think search is difficult to make it profitable. Roofing's not impossible, but it's a little bit more difficult because the cost per click is quite high. You can see all their different impressions and so forth and how it's broken down. A lot of video, 34%, and they are spending millions on them. I don't know if they're spending millions, but they're spending hundreds of thousands of dollars most likely, looking at all these impressions. So that's interesting. So looking at our creatives, we want to look at their ads. So most of their ads are the 200 by 200. Well, I should say there's all kinds of ads that they're running. So let's jump in, and these are newer publishers where they have published probably their display ads, perhaps some of their video ads. Here are some examples that are similar to what they are doing. And we can just click on an ad and we can see some of their display ads. Nothing interesting to write home about. Weather resistant roof. These may be retargeting. I'm not sure really. And so if we go here, you can see all the different ads are very, very similar. If we can look at ad types, we may want to look at image ads and see if we find something interesting. No, very similar. This is a video ad. We'll get to the video ads in just a little bit. This is their top video ad. And because I have another software that does that for us. So then their landing page, we'll take a look at it. I should have it uploaded here somewhere. All right, and let's take a close look at the landing page. You're a roofer. This is something you want to look at. Old roof. We want to replace your old roof with a new metal roof. They make an offer, and then their call to action is, this is a really stark landing page. That's because they're sending most of their traffic to this page from video ads. So video ads are huge for them. And then we click on check my zip code, and this is going to be a multi-step type of form that you fill out, and it creates a lead. All right, so interesting. So what about our YouTube ad? Let's check it. Let's go in here. Let's take a look at the YouTube ad, and let's watch it.
Roofers are furious about this new product that's going viral. Replace your whole roof in as little as 8 hours? And right now, we're looking for homeowners to experience this futuristic roofing product. Click below and enter your zip code to see if you qualify. Erie Metal Roofs is looking for homeowners to install the newest styles and colors of our next generation metal roofing system. Our next generation metal roofing system is backed by a lifetime warranty and can be installed in as little as 8 hours. And you could be one of the first homeowners in your neighborhood to experience this futuristic roofing system. Don't miss this opportunity to experience the future of roofing. Click the link at the bottom of this video now and enter your zip code to see if you qualify.
All right, so this is a very well done YouTube ad. So they click on this, and then they're taken to that landing page that we just saw. So that is really, y'all, that's a pretty cool, pretty awesome YouTube ad. It's their main ad that they're running, and they are getting a lot of impressions and clicks from that. Facebook. So I attempted to see if they're running any Facebook and Instagram ads. It appears that they're actually not, believe it or not, which surprised me. I thought we'd at least see some of that. Maybe they are doing it onto a different page or a different in a different profile. I really don't know. I tried to look and see and find, but I couldn't find. So it's very possible they're actually not. So going back to this page here, it actually could be that they are mainly running Microsoft ads and YouTube ads. So there's some real takeaways from this that we can, if you're a roofing company, or I think the takeaway is if the traffic, so a lot of companies like to run the Google search ads. If you're not aware what the Google search ads, let me go over it for you real fast. And if you are, you can skip past this in the video for a few seconds. But let's just say we type this, and you can see here that we have, those are the local service ads. Okay, those are another kind of ad. And then we should be able to get some search ads, probably. I'm not going to click on them so people don't have to pay for them. Actually, no, there's not. Okay, here we go. So where it says sponsored, these are search ads. So these are the search ads, and the clicks for these for roofing are gastronomically expensive. They're astronomically, I should say, astronomically expensive. I mean, you're talking about anywhere from probably $25 to $50 per click. So if you can find a source that can target the same people looking for this, and they can get you, you can get in front of those people, then, and especially if it's a little bit longer buying cycle like it is with roofing, then you can definitely get leads at a much cheaper price. So that's going to be YouTube, and apparently in this case, believe it or not, surprisingly, seems like Microsoft ads for them have worked very well. Now, I don't know if that would be the same for a regular roofing company, but definitely for metal roofing, if you do metal roofs, this is something that you want to be looking at. It's super interesting. So those are some good takeaways. Now, if you're watching this and you're not a roofer and you got to this point, then the other takeaway that is the same. Do you have a service where it's too expensive, your local business, and it's too expensive to buy clicks because they're too expensive with Google search, well, then you've got other options out there that you need to investigate. There are, YouTube ads, there are Facebook ads. You can investigate those. There's a little bit more difficult to make work of late. You've got display ads, you've got TikTok, and I especially recommend YouTube right now. That's been our go-to for our agency. So some really good takeaways from this. Hey, people, like and subscribe. We're going to be on a continual basis dissecting and looking at different kinds of businesses. If you'd like me to analyze your particular niche and find a really big player and analyze what they're doing with their ads, in the comments section below, put your kind of business, and we will actually start to analyze that for you, so that you'll have a chance to see what it is exactly they're doing. This is Jared from HiveLead. I've really enjoyed this little session. Once again, like and subscribe, and we'll be looking to release these each week.